In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQs, that is log into 1 plus iota. Solution: log of 1 plus iota. If z is equal to 1 plus iota, then absolute of z is equal to absolute square root of 1 plus 1. So 1 square is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. Absolute of z is equal to r equal to square root of 2. Argument of z is equal to tan inverse y divided by x. So value of y is equal to 1 and value of x is equal to 1. So tan inverse 1 is equal to 1 divide 1, which is equal to 1. Tan inverse 1 gives value equal to pi over 4. Formula, that is log of z is equal to natural log r plus iota argument of z. So natural log into r is equal to square root of 2. So natural log square root of 2 plus iota argument of z is equal to pi over 4. So according to log property, that is natural log under root of 2 can also be written in the form of 1 divided by 2 natural log 2 plus iota pi over 4. So option A is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.